Most seniors don't realize it, but every time you reach for a bagel, a bowl of pasta, or even a seemingly innocent piece of fruit, you're feeding a slow drain on your energy reserves, inviting weight gain, joint pain, and even memory lapses into your life. And this process only accelerates with age. Our bodies evolve, and what once felt like a harmless carb fix can suddenly send our blood sugar soaring, spark inflammation that stiffens our knees, or cloud the sharpness of our thoughts. But the good news is that you have the power to transform this narrative, to replace those sugar spikes with sustained energy, to swap the inflammation triggers for soothing, strength-building foods that work with your aging metabolism instead of against it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share 10 of the very best items you can eat, delicious, accessible, and free of added sugar, that will help you reclaim your vitality after 60. Stay with me until the end, because number 10 is nearly forgotten, but it might be the most potent weapon against age-related decline. Before we dive in, tap that like button, subscribe, and in the comments let me know the one treat you should give up, but just can't seem to. No judgments here, I've been there too. Let's start our list with wild-caught salmon, the brain's best friend, and our first line of defense against memory slip-ups and midday fatigue. Unlike farmed salmon, wild-caught fish swim miles in cold, clean water, building lean muscle and loading up on anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that nourish your neurons just as much as they fortify your heart. These omega-3s, known as EPA and DHA, calm the chronic inflammation that often manifests as sore joints or that stiff feeling in your hands, while also protecting memory centers in the brain. When you lightly pan-sear a fillet in olive oil, squeeze fresh lemon over the top, and serve it beside grilled asparagus or a simple green salad, you're not just eating dinner. You're administering a daily dose of nature's most effective brain and body medicine. That ruby color of the flesh, it comes from astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that shields your skin from premature aging, smoothing out wrinkles and brightening your complexion. Next up, avocados. The good fat you've been avoiding for too long. I get it. Decades of low-fat advice conditioned us to fear anything creamy. But monounsaturated fats are the unsung heroes of senior nutrition. They help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, raise HDL, good cholesterol, and keep your arteries supple, reducing the risk of blood pressure jolts that can lead to heart attacks or strokes. Avocados also pack more potassium than bananas, making them a natural remedy for occasional cramps or fluid retention in the ankles. And the fiber helps steady your digestion when your metabolism feels sluggish. Whether you mash one onto a slice of whole grain toast, swirl it into your morning smoothie, or simply eat it with a sprinkle of sea salt, you're indulging in a taste so luscious it feels indulgent, yet your body knows exactly what to do with those fats, turning them into long-lasting energy, rather than storing them around your midsection. Now, onto eggs. Don't let decades-old cholesterol myths steer you away from this simple superfood. Every large egg delivers 6 grams of complete protein, the sort your aging muscles require to maintain strength and preserve balance, and a hefty dose of choline, a nutrient so vital for memory and brain health that many seniors face thinning reserves. Think of choline as the spark plug that keeps your brain circuits firing on all cylinders, helping you remember names, appointments, and where you left your keys. Whip up a couple of poached eggs, scramble them with spinach, or enjoy them hard-boiled as a convenient snack. The yolks pack vitamin D, A, and a spectrum of B vitamins that work together to bolster your mood, support nerve function, and keep your energy steady throughout the day. Speaking of greens, spinach deserves its place on the plate without sugar-laden dressings drenching its leaves. Popeye was onto something. These dark, leafy wonders are vaults of vitamin A for eye health, vitamin K for bone strength, and iron for that extra spark of energy when you feel foggy or fatigued. Magnesium and potassium within spinach regulate muscle contraction, so whether you're taking a morning walk or bending down to tend the garden, your muscles will respond smoothly instead of cramping. Sauté fresh spinach in a little olive oil and garlic for a quick side. Stir handfuls into your omelets, or blend it into soups for a stealthy nutrient boost. And thanks to nearly zero net carbs and no sugar, it won't disturb your blood glucose, unlike that bag of pretzels you used to grab for a salty fix. Let's talk Greek yogurt, but not the sugary fruit cups. Those are essentially syrup, masquerading as breakfast. Full-fat plain Greek yogurt is a triple threat, a rich source of casein protein that digests slowly, releasing amino acids throughout the night to stave off muscle breakdown, a healthy dose of probiotics to keep your gut flora balanced, vital for everything from immune health to mood regulation, and calcium for strong bones and proper nerve signaling. Stir in a handful of crushed walnuts or a few drops of vanilla extract, or top it with fresh berries if you must have sweetness. Just keep added sugar to a minimum. The result, a creamy, satisfying snack that safeguards muscle mass, soothes joints, and supports restful sleep. Walnuts are the tiny giants you might be overlooking. Just a small handful of these brain-shaped nuts delivers omega-3 alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, another powerful anti-inflammatory fat, plus protein and fiber to keep you sated between meals. Research shows walnuts can help lower blood pressure, improve cognitive function, and reduce that achy inflammation you feel after a long day on your feet. Toss them on your salad, mix them into oatmeal, or simply munch a few as a mid-afternoon treat when you feel that sugar craving starting to whisper. If there's one liquid gold I'd have on hand, it's extra virgin olive oil. Centuries of Mediterranean longevity point to this as a cornerstone of a long, vigorous life. Its monounsaturated fats and polyphenol antioxidants fight inflammation, protect your blood vessels, and support healthy blood pressure levels. Drizzle it over roasted vegetables, swirl it into soups, or use it as the base for a zesty vinaigrette with lemon juice and fresh herbs. No carbs, no sugar, just a simple, delightful flavor that your body can turn into endurance, slowly and steadily, all day long. Chicken thighs deserve a revival on senior menus. Forget the dry, cardboard-like breasts. Skin-on, bone-in thighs are juicier, more flavorful, and richer in iron and zinc, minerals crucial for immunity and energy, and they cost less too. Roast or braise them with fragrant herbs, garlic, and lemon for a meal that keeps your muscles fueled without empty carbs. Yes, they carry a bit more fat, but it's balanced by delivering key nutrients that support hormone production and joint lubrication, essential when every step counts. Now, let's resurrect an old-school favorite, cabbage. This humble vegetable has fallen out of favor, yet it's one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense foods you can buy. Packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and antioxidants, it feeds your gut microbiome, reduces inflammation that triggers joint pain, and supports your immune system. Slice it thin, toss it in salads, stir-fry it in olive oil with a dash of apple cider vinegar, or ferment it into sauerkraut to unlock powerful probiotics. You'll be hard-pressed to find a vegetable this cheap, this filling, and this beneficial for overall senior health. Finally, let's talk about sardines, the forgotten superfood of the sea. These tiny fish swim close to the bottom of the mercury pyramid, making them safer than larger tuna or swordfish, yet they're teeming with omega-3s, calcium, from soft edible bones, vitamin D, and complete protein. Canned sardines with high-quality olive oil or water can be tossed onto a bed of greens, mashed with a little mustard for toast, or eaten straight from the tin, no cooking required. They support heart health, build strong bones, and fuel your muscles with minimal effort, making them the perfect no-brainer for seniors who need maximum nutrition in minimal prep time. There you have it. 10 low-carb, sugar-free power foods that seniors over 60 can easily incorporate into their daily routines. Each item on this list has earned its spot through real science and practical results, rather than fads or flash-in-the-pan trends. Swap out a bagel for smoked salmon, a candy bar for Greek yogurt topped with walnuts, or the nightly chips for avocado on a cucumber slice, and you'll start to notice more stable energy, less joint stiffness, sharper cognition, and a quicker recovery from daily activities. Your body isn't asking for perfection. just for nutrient choices that work with your aging metabolism instead of sabotaging it. Pick one new food from this list to try today. Let me know which one in the comments. And if this video helped, don't forget to tap like and subscribe for more simple, powerful tips designed specifically for senior vitality. You deserve to feel energized, strong, and in control of your health, no matter your age. Here's to the next chapter of your life, fueled by smart, delicious choices that make every day a little brighter.